Welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you step by step how I came up with my YouTube channel logo. Alright, and I'll show you how to mock it up. This tutorial has been requested for by a lot of people, so I think this is the right time to make it available for them. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's jump into it. So in this tutorial we are going to be using shapes throughout. Alright, so first off we are going to use this shape. So scroll down, select the shape over here. Alright, so you change the color to black. Okay, you can reduce the size of it a bit. Alright, this is okay. Then you click the check mark. You make a copy of it. Alright, then you change the color to white. After doing that, just reduce the size of it a bit and you are good to go. So here is it. Just click on this icon, then position it over here. Come back and select the down shape. Click on this relative position icon. Click on both the middle one at the top and at the down over here. So after doing this, just make sure that you've positioned the white one perfectly onto it. Alright, just make sure you position it perfectly and you are good to go. Okay, alright, here we have it. Now the next thing you want to do is to insert another shape, and this time around you can just leave it like this, or you rotate it this way and leave it. Now come back and click on this layer button at the top, then click on this button here and merge everything. Now after merging everything, come down here, scroll, and you see where you can see erase color, then tap on it, enable it, then you are good to go. Alright, now there's one thing that I would like to show you. Alright, let's click on the layer panel and see something. Now you can see over here that there is kind of white background showing over there. Alright, we don't want that thing to be showing over there. If that thing should be there and we apply any texture to this work, the texture will come up to fill the whole white space and the black space as well. So we don't want that white shape to be showing over there. Alright, so this is how we're going to do it. Just enter a shape, change the color to black. Alright, we change the color to black. Once the color is being changed to black, make sure you reduce the size small, way small. Alright, click on enable. So after this, just come back and click on the layer panel, then merge these two shapes. Alright, so you will realize that after merging these two shapes, the white background will not be showing over there. So observe it and let's see. Did you see that the white background is not showing over there? That is the main purpose of inserting the black shape and minimizing it so small and merging it with the previous shape. Alright, so let's go ahead. The next thing that we would like to do is to make a copy of this and rotate it. Alright, you can use this rotation button over here and rotate it easily. Bring it together like this. Okay, now this is what we have, and we want to form kind of letter SA with pulling shapes. So I'm going to make a copy of this again. So with this copy, let's just go ahead and cut part of it, and I'm going to use the masking tool to do that quickly. So let's just go ahead with that. Alright, I think this is okay. What is more important over here is we need the size of it to be a bit longer so that we can place it at our various vantage point that we want to place them. Alright, So watch this carefully. Now you also make another copy of it and rotate it as well. Alright, let's just rotate it and we are good to go. Okay, here we have it. Let's lock all the layers for now and start selecting them one by one. Okay, so we will have to cut some parts of these shapes. Alright, we will have to cut some parts of them. So first things first, we are going to cut the first one, which is the down one. So let's unlock it. Alright, so it is now selected. Let's select our masking tool again, enable it, then send it all the way to the top. Alright, so you can see that as we send it to the top, it has cut the text. Let me bring it back so that you see it clearly. Now the text has come back, the shape has come back. Now let's put it over again. You see that the shape has gone. Alright, so you click on the check mark. Now the next shape that we would like to cut is the second one over here. So let's lock the down one and unlock the top one. So we select this one as well, then we click on, then let's select our masking tool again. Let's bring it all the way here. In this case, let's click on out instead of in. Alright. So let's click on the check mark and have a view of it. Alright, so this is it and it is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and merge the two at the bottom. Alright, so we want to, let's merge them. Now we are left with these two, the tools that have been locked over here. We are left with them. Now watch this carefully. Let's pull in our grid tool. Okay, click on this sign, then move this slider. Okay, move it to be in line with this and click on it back again, then click on the U icon. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. Let's merge these two shapes as well, as we have to cut them together. Alright, so let's select the masking tool again and see how best we can cut this. Alright, it has been cut using the masking tool, pretty much easier. Alright, so that is it. Let's click on the check mark, and after doing that, let's come back and select our down layer here and cut the remaining part of it, which is at the top. Let's click on the masking tool, enable it, then we bring it all the way here. Just make sure that you do it carefully. Alright, I think this is okay. You pull out the grid. Okay, so the next thing that we would like to do is to insert a shape, a circular shape for that matter. Reduce the size, change the color to black, click on the check mark and position it at the edges of the work. Okay, so let's make a copy of it. I will do the same thing. We push it all the way back to the second point. Alright, so the next copy that we'll make, we'll change the color to red and bring it all the way to the middle. Like this. Alright, so with this done, all that we have to do is to so with this done, you can go ahead and merge every layer right now. Alright, so let's do that quickly. Now let's position it at the middle of the working space. Alright, so we have it right here like this. Now the next thing that I would like to do is to just enter the name and put it beneath it. Alright, so we have the name as Serene Arts. Alright, you just have to make it bold and use black color for it. Then we work on the spacing a bit. And when this is done, then we are good to go. Alright, so you just go ahead, click on this icon, then click on transparent. Then we can go ahead and save it as PNG. Remember to save as a PNG, if not you will not get it. So as we've saved it, the next thing that we would like to do is to go ahead and mock it up in PHOTOG app. Alright, so let's go there quickly. Now here we are in a PHOTOG app, and take note that almost everything is written in Arabic, so you just have to follow the step closely as I take you through. Alright, so first thing first, you're going to click on new projects. Alright, so you click on new project, then you come to stickers at the bottom over here. Click on stickers. Once you click on stickers, and from the pop-up window or from the options that will show, click on insert from gallery. Alright, so you can choose without crop or choose with crop. Alright, so you choose with any and you are good to go. Select the picture that we just saved. Alright, so we have it here, and I just have to click on the check mark, then it appears over here. Now you just have to come and click on size, increase the size a bit if you want. Alright, increase the size and you close it. Now over here you just click on the three dots at the top right corner over here, then you click on convert to mockup to 3D mockup. Click on accept. You don't understand what is written over there, but just click on accept. Alright, and note the link to this app will be in the video description, so you just have to go ahead and download it in the video description, then you are good to go. Alright, so once it has loaded, just follow exactly what I will be doing, because the language over here is in Arabic and you may not understand it. Alright, so just follow me carefully. And please, as you are watching this video, don't forget to give this video a like. Alright, pause and give this video a like, and let's continue. Alright, so let me give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Alright, thank you for doing it, and let's go ahead. Alright, so we look for a mockup that we want to use. Alright, there are several mockups over here, as you can see already. You choose the one that you like to use. Using this particular one over here, alright, the I love KT one, that is the one that we'll be using right here. So just click on the blue icon over here. Wait for it as it loads. Alright, so once it has been sent to the server successfully, then click on this part. Alright,